Welcome to Baz Travels. After driving 14,826 kilometers through 24 states and Washington DC, I've seen rocket launches to the Grand Canyon and Hoover Dam. I've explored Route 66, ghost towns, deserts, snow, and beaches on both coasts. From Vegas casinos to Alcatraz, the White House to Hollywood. Join me for a journey of the ordinary and the extraordinary.
Loading destination. Simulation starting in 3, 2, 1. To look around, move your phone or tablet. Click and drag if on a computer or move your head if using a VR headset. Please like and subscribe.
The Fremont East District has become one of the most creative pockets of downtown Las Vegas, known for its mix of public art, independent venues, and nightlife scene that contrast sharply with the casino-driven energy of the Strip. Much of the character of this area comes from the murals and installations that line the streets. Many of these pieces were created through the Life is Beautiful Festival's art program, which brings international artists to transform the walls and building fronts with large-scale works. The styles range from abstract geometry to vivid portraits, each mural adding another layer to the neighborhood's identity. Neon plays a major role in the artistic landscape here as well. Instead of the classic casino signage, the Fremont East District showcases smaller neon pieces designed for the streetscape itself. The iconic retro-styled signs such as the martini glass and the glittering starburst were installed as part of a redevelopment effort to revive the neighborhood's vintage nightlife aesthetics. These pieces function as sculptural landmarks, blending classic Las Vegas imagery with contemporary design. The art continues as the district transitions towards Container Park. Sculptures along the route, each with their own personality. The most recognizable is the giant praying mantis sculpture outside the entrance, originally built for the Burning Man Festival and later installed here as a permanent feature. At night, the sculpture becomes kinetic art, with programmed lighting and moving components that turn the entrance into a theatrical focal point for the area. Nightlife in this district is shaped by smaller independent operated venues rather than large casino floors. Bars, lounges, and music spots line the streets, each one centered around its own theme rather than a unified resort concept. The district is known for its rooftop terraces, vintage-style cocktail bars, and venues that host rotating lineups of local musicians and DJs. The variety of styles, retro lounges, modern craft bars, and long-established local favorites create a mix that appeals to many different types of visitors. Container Park itself shifts from daytime family-friendly energy into a nighttime social scene. Built from stacked recycled shipping containers, the complex includes bars, boutique retailers, and small performance spaces that often host live music, art showcases, and community events. The modular architecture allows for individual spaces to express their own design identity, turning the entire park into a combination of creative marketplace and nightlife hub.
Simulation terminated. Please comment, like and subscribe.